The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the LG K22 for Boost Mobile. So the LG K22 is a new budget phone for Boost Mobile. It's available now. It's currently on sale, $20 off. It's $69.99. Full retail price is $99.99. So not too bad. So this is a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. So there's the LG K22 right there in front of you. So you do have your teardrop notch for the front-facing camera. Power and button keys will be on the right side of the phone now. Left side of the phone, I think you have your Google Assistant key on the left. There's the back of the LG K22. You have dual cameras, camera flash, LG logo, and your speaker. On the left side of the phone is your Google Assistant key and your micro SD card and SIM card slot. Right side of the phone will have your power and button keys. There's the left side of the phone, like I said, micro SD card and SIM card slot and your Google Assistant key right there. So it says here, the featured pack LG K22 brings freedom, fun, and function into one budget phone device. Dive into immersive 6.2-inch HD plus full vision display. Snap photo encrypts photos with the dual rear camera system. Stay powered up on the go with a 3000 mAh battery. So not too bad, not bad for $70, you know. So not too bad. So you do have a 6.2-inch display. That's a 720p display. So that's pretty nice. Dual cameras in the back at 13 megapixel and the 2 megapixel. 3000 mAh battery, 32 gigabytes of storage, and Android 10 on board. So yeah, so it says underneath of that, says if you activate your phone over Wi-Fi, you may experience an issue with your data connection. To restore your connection, power the phone off and back on. So if you guys ever have issues with that, there you go. Of course, how's it work? Is it order today, wait for your friend to arrive, pick a plan, and activate online. Pretty simple. See life larger, a big screen in your hand or on a TV. Watch your favorite content edge to edge on the 6.2-inch HD plus a full vision display. Or cast to your TV to seamlessly share. So that's pretty nice. The way photos your way. The LG K22's multiple camera features a 13 megapixel rear camera with 2 megapixel macro lens for stunning close-ups and a 5 megapixel front-facing camera to grab the perfect selfies. That's pretty nice. Stay powered up. The K22's 3000 battery keeps you powered up and on the go with built-in battery saver mode. Keep more at your fingertips. With 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and up to 32 gigabytes of external storage of external memory, you can keep all your favorite photos, music, and documents on hand for quick access. A personal assistant, a tap away. Press the dedicated Google Assistant key on the left side of your K22. Use Google Assistant to ask questions, translate languages, make appointments, and set alarms. Navigation made easy. With Android 10 on your K22, you can choose between traditional 3-button on-screen navigation or gesture navigation, enabling you to swipe and drag to navigate apps and tasks. Mexico remain capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Plan add-on is required for that to work. Voice remain capable. Keep talking even when you're temporarily outside this Boost network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. Also have more hotspot as well. So don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access. Access words per plan. Okay. Specs, you have 3,000 mAh battery. Battery is not removable. 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage. Micro SD cards are up to 32 GB. Snapdragon. I'm resting as a Snapdragon 215 processor. Quad-core 1.3 GHz, Android 10. 13 megapixel standard angle camera, 2 megapixel macro lens rear cameras, and a 5 megapixel front-facing cameras. Pretty nice. 6.2 inch HD plus full vision display. Your dimensions for the LG K22 is 2.97 inches in width, 6.21 inches in height, and 0.33 inches depth. The LG K22 weighs 5.98 ounces. Your connectivity options are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and micro USB charging port, which is unfortunate. Other features: Google Assistant key and compliance with 8 military standard A10G test. So they did a spec rating on there, so pretty nice. What's included in the box is your LG K22 phone, charger, SIM card installed, micro USB 2.0 charging cable, and important information booklet. So nothing else was on the box there. So if you guys need help with your phone, Boost Mobile has you covered with that. Since they want to know everything there is to know about this one. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So, there you go. So, yeah, so there it is, the LG K22, now go by Boost Mobile. So if you guys are looking to get a budget phone for your kid or whatever, a backup phone for yourself, this would be a great option. The specs are pretty decent. Do keep in mind this is the budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. It's currently on sale for $69.99. Full retail price is $99.99. I think it's worth it, the phone does look very nice. It's pretty decent specs. So not too bad of a phone there, So yeah, there you guys have the LG K22. Now available by Boost Mobile, and this is compatible with the T-Mobile network as well. So yeah. So that's pretty much it. So there it is, the LG K22. Now available at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.